Hello, YouTube. Sorry there, my neck kind of hurt. This is my board. Still have the same old stuff hooked up to it. And I put the Spectra Alert back on the board because remember it was on messy wiring and it was sitting on my desk in my bed. And I put the strobe back on, so no complaining. Then I got that speaker up there because I was doing evac messages for fun of it. And on this receiver I got here, it works very great, especially on these speakers. It's very loud. And I was doing evac messages through my computer, believe it or not. And still got, it's on a transformer. This is the key for it. You probably can't see it as well. Firelight key. And the transformer's on the bottom right hand corner. Black box down there. And oh, hold up. And yep, all these wires, took them off my panel because they were hooked up to there until the panel failed. Sadly, the next one, I think 3-4 days ago, I woke up and I plugged my panel and it didn't work. So I have to talk to the dude I bought it from and see what's the problem here. But anyways, I got it. It's working on a transformer, so I'll start it now. And I would put the evac, but I don't feel like pulling it up right now. I might plan on getting an evac panel. And I'm gonna get a Simplex T-bar and a Wheel Lock 7002T when I get my panel, probably. Or I might get the alarms and then the panel, save up for the panel, and then take the keys out. It's pretty much this alarm right here. I'm gonna make it so the board is this way, like it goes up. So I'll make a next video on it. And yeah, my room is messy because I was working on the board all day. My book. And then I can't stand these text messages. Hold up, guys. Okay. And then you still got everything on this board, but I'm about to change it, and I made the hole in this for nothing then, because it was for that. So I might plan to get a different panel, and I know I'm getting 2 alarms. And then I might get another alarm after the T-bar and the 7002T. I might get the system sensor Spectra Alert, not these things, but you know what I mean. It hooks on, oh wait a minute. It hooks on this. Where my horn used to hook onto. It's where the Spectra Alert's going on. Have those things at my school. These things are pretty loud. And then, come on, lock. Oh my god. There we go. Now, that's just the board right there. I have a bunch of writing on it, as you can see. It's my brother wrote on it too. And my brother wrote a lot on the back today, I think. I don't know if y'all can see it. No, you can't. It's way back there. My camera is clear today. So here it is. That's the board. And I'll probably do some evac messages. My next door neighbor washing the car. It's funny. I don't know if you all can see that. Wait till it gets a little. Yeah, you can't see it. It's washing the car though. It's funny. But this is the board, and I'm gonna switch it this way. Make it go up that way, and I'll make a next video on it. Only if the panel worked. And that's it. Bye.